Tommy Schenkweiler, Operating Manager for Hog Technologies, Division 83. I oversee everything from scheduling of the guys, maintenance of the machinery, to overall performance and quality of work so that we provide you with the best of service. You're going to hear from some of our team members, but as a collective team, we have over 100 years experience providing services and manufacturing of striping and rumbling equipment.
Hi, I'm Matt Lynch. I've been in the striping industry for over 35 years. We're very efficient when we show up on your job. We'll get the job done as quickly and as efficiently as possible. My overall achievement at the end of the day is I want to make sure that the customer is happy, the lines are right, the millage is right, and we're in and out.
Hi, my name's Chad Willison. I've been in the striping industry for almost 17 years. Full-time striping for 14 years and came to Hog about 3 years ago, where we build the equipment, test the equipment, and provide a great piece of equipment for our customers. We ensure you that with our experiences that we will get the job done right in a timely manner the first time around.
My name is Larry Greer. I just started here at Hog Technologies. I've been in the striping industry for close to 40 years now. I've been on both sides of it, estimating, project managing, out in the field doing the work. Our goal is to have no callbacks, get the job done on time.
Hi, my name is Brian Pfeiffer and I handle all the estimating and scheduling here at Hog. As you can see by the guys that came before me, we have a plethora of experience. Some of the applications that we handle will be water blasting, marking removal. We can put all detail marks down. We can do long line thermoplastics, rumble strips, grinding. We can just about handle any of your roadway marking needs. Here at Hog, we take our customer service very seriously. Pretty much any problems that we have on the job, we want to take care of immediately. So you will get the best service possible from us. That's our commitment to you.